And here it finally is, the Bigscreen Beyond Audio Strap. Hello there. I am so looking forward to unbox this because this is going to complete one of the coolest, if not the coolest actually, VR headset that is out right now, the Bigscreen Beyond. Here it is. So I really love this headset, the smallest headset on the planet. And yeah, so far we had to deal with this soft strap. It's okay, but yeah, well, we could do better here, right? Because this also doesn't have an audio solution, so we always had to put some kind of headphones on. But with this here, we're going to get a more comfortable strap, I believe, and audio. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sebastian, and if you're excited about VR and VR accessories just like this one here, then absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. So that is the box, feels very nice, and there's even a little manual down there how to install the Bigscreen Beyond Audio Strap. Nice. Opening this up, this is what we see. It looks just like so high quality, right? Yeah, this is what you want to see if you order an audio strap. Taking it out though, I felt like, what? How can it be so nice? You know, there's this mismatch between what you see, high quality, and what you pull out because it feels so light. And normally if you feel something light, you will think of, wow, flimsy China stuff. And this is how it feels because it's so light. But if you look at it, it's like, wow, everything is so nicely made here. And the Bigscreen team, they have especially made this their priority to make a super light strap. And that's what we got here. Check this out. I love this part because the Bigscreen logo does not rotate. Just the ring around it is so cool. It's just like a little detail that I really liked about this strap. Yeah. And now let's have a look at the ear pads. And here you can simply see the difference between some cheap audio head strap and this high quality one. Because these ear pads, they can freely move just like this. So no matter the shape of your ears, this will adjust to your ears. And of course, you can also change the position just like that. Everything slides and feels high quality. And the angle of these ear pads, you can also change them. Very cool. Now, this part is also a very good addition because this is where we later are going to put the USB-C cable that goes from your Bigscreen Beyond to your computer. So finally it is being held in place and being channeled to the back. Very cool. And here we got a spare one if you should lose the original one. That's also nice to see. Okay, so now let's install this. Let's get rid of the soft strap. Soft strap was okay, but yeah, I'm happy that I have the audio strap right now. So you simply put the USB-C connection there, and then you would click the rest into your Bigscreen Beyond. It is truly that simple. So well done. Very simple and easy to set up, and then it will stay in place. And that is your audio strap. So let's also put the USB-C cable for the connection to your PC. And here, this is how you would put it into the back there. So no more having the cable tuck on your head. Everything is now routed back. Very cool. So let's check it out together now. Let's do the face on. All right, here it is, the final Bigscreen Beyond now with the Bigscreen Beyond audio strap. And I can't wait to put it on. Very cool. I've already tried it a bit because I felt like, wow, this looks so small. Does it fit on my head? And then I found out that, yes, you can actually extend the audio USB-C cable that comes out of here the audio head strap, right? In the beginning it was kind of shorter, but yes, you can simply pull on this strap and then, yeah, it will extend out of it and then you can make it also fit bigger heads. Nice. So let me put it on now and let me simply tell you what I think about the comfort, and then I'm also going to play games, of course. So here we go. And I can tell you already directly, this is way more comfortable than with a soft strap. With a soft strap, yeah, well, you had to set it so it would pull the Bigscreen Beyond into you. Now I've already set it up so that it just rests on my head here, and it's not like pulling into it. So it is even more comfortable now. That is for sure. And yeah, the earpieces are directly above my ears. So yeah, the question now is only how good does it sound? So right now it just feels comfortable. Nice. All right. That is a very good start here for the Bigscreen Beyond Audio Strap. I'm in Alex and you're listening to the Valve sound logo. Yes, great start. And the perfect blacks of OLED. Oh yeah, good to be back in the Bigscreen Beyond, everyone. All right, let's get into the game. And let me tell you about what I hear here in the Bigscreen Beyond Audio Strap, and let me simply convey everything to you. And that is what I'm doing here on the channel. All right. Okay. This is very loud. This is very loud. Wow. Let me just check if I am on full volume. Yes, I am. Okay, that makes sense because it is really loud. Let me also shoot at something. Okay. Yeah. Definitely loud enough. And what do we have to do here? We have to press this one and this one. Right, I can still remember it. Oh, it is so good to be back here because, well, I can just let you know my initial thoughts here right now. So, I've been in the... Oh! Yes! Okay, the audio is good. It's great. That is my initial impression here right now. So, what a nice atmosphere. So I've been in the Pico 4 Ultra and in the Quest 3 in the last few days because I was doing the review for the Pico 4 Ultra. Nice headset, right? But to be back here in in OLED with a high resolution, yes. So good.
Alex, you alright?
Wow.
I'm fine, Russell.
Yeah.
What's up?
I'm losing your signal. Alex? Alex? Can you still hear me? Keep
Wow.
heading in the same direction and try to get above ground.
Russell? Russell?
Audio is very clear. Okay, now obviously I'm just listening to the vocals here, right? So I have to do some rhythm and music, but right now just the background music, the atmospheric sounds that I'm hearing here and the vocals, so good. So what I also would like to tell you is that the comfort truly is so much better now. It was not bad at all before, right? We know that. Oh wow. Also the bass is good. So we know that the comfort was good, but now it is even better. So there's no strap that would pull the device into my head. It's just like sitting there now. Wow. So cool. And also like the loudspeakers, the earpieces, they touch my ears, but they're not pressing into it. So for some other headphones, I have it that the clamping force is too strong. But this is not. This is just right. So I'm just feeling I'm in the game, I'm super immersed, I have that really good sound. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh yeah, okay. Super nice immersion here.
Oh,
The Alex fans.
The Alex Vans.
You receive.
Wow, it's so nice.
I did?
Come. Enter.
Okay. Thanks.
You are welcome.
Yeah, okay, cool. So you know what? Let's get into a music
What's
game now.
Oregon doing?
And here we are in Audica. Audica is actually an amazing game that is completely underrated. So let's play a bit and let's do this first level here. Alright, I have a good feeling about this. So Alex was incredible. Now, music. Oh! Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. This has nice bass. Wow. What? Okay. Get this. Get this strap. This is incredible. And play Audica. So not only do you have one of the best mics with the Bigscreen Beyond, now you also have incredible audio. Wow, this is just good. And you have a fantastic micro OLED headset. Yeah, good bass, good mids, highs as well. Oh wow. Absolutely. Absolutely, I am convinced now. This is a fantastic product. This is what completes the Bigscreen Beyond. Congrats to the Bigscreen team. This is a winner. Let's quickly summarize everything and talk about it in my conclusion. Level complete. And new high score. Look how I was on target. But now let's talk about it. Alright, we can keep this conclusion pretty short. Buy it. It's an incredible strap. It is light, it is comfortable, and the sound is really good. It's loud, bass was nice, all the other sound areas sounded really good. Yeah, just buy it. 159 euros is also a good price for this. Yeah, this completes the Bigscreen Beyond in my opinion. So if you got the Bigscreen Beyond, get it for sure. It makes it more comfortable, and finally you have built-in sound that is great. Yeah, so simple. So the only thing that I would say, like, okay, this could have been a bit better. This foam, not sure how long it's going to stay nice, right? Especially if you sweat a lot. This we'll have to find out by obviously using this much longer. So this is just my only gripe that I would say, like, okay, probably not sure how long this will be nice. Yeah, but need to let you know everything. Overall, it is simply a winner. Go and get it. Link down in the description of this video. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section. Do you already have it? Do you agree with my conclusion of this strap? I know I'm going to play much more now in the Bigscreen Beyond, simply because now this is for me also the most comfortable headset. Without the strap, it was already comfortable, but not like now. Now this is even better. So thumbs up. Yeah, that's everything that I got for this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you love virtual reality, right? And press the bell button so that you don't miss any of our videos, always giving you the latest and greatest in VR. And if you want to chat with me in the community, come to the MRTV Discord server. There's a group just talking about the Bigscreen Beyond, and yeah, it's nice there. That is everything that I have for this video. I'm looking forward to see the next one. Leave a comment and yeah, thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until then, bye-bye.